What's up and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to use Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a software that allows you to use artificial intelligence to create content for either blogging or for your ads. If you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, you can use it to create marketing copy, which is really, really cool because usually you have to hire someone and it actually costs hundreds of dollars to hire someone to do advertising copy. You can use this to create sales page copy, and so forth. So you can use this for anything that you would actually use or hire a writer for. You can go to Fiverr and hire writers, or you can go to Upwork, you can go all kinds of other places, Facebook groups, to hire writers, but you're going to see that they're becoming more and more expensive to hire writers. And so the next best thing is actually using a copywriting software like Copy.ai. I'm going to show you just quickly some of the ways that I use it. As you can see, I'm using the tool a lot. And I actually have ranking content right here. If I actually come over here to SERP Robot, I keep track of a few of my websites in here. I'm actually going to come over here and I do testing right here. You can see that I test out different artificial intelligence softwares, and one of the main ones I'm testing out right now is Copy.ai. If I click on this, it's going to tell me where I'm currently ranking, and I just published these like a week ago. I'm already ranking. 2 of them are ranking in the top 10, and they actually get search volume, and these were written at 100% in Copy.ai. And so you can just see right there, that's proof that this actually does work. Now I'm going to show you, we're going to go back into Copy.ai. Once I go back into Copy.ai, I'm going to show you some different things. Now, there's only over 90 different ways that you can use this software. There's 90 modules, right? So product descriptions right here, digital ad copy. There's a bunch of modules right there. We start opening these up. Startup, if you're a startup business or software, you have a brand voice, brand mission, audience refiner, motto generator, value proposition, website copy, call to actions, all kinds of landing page, hero text. That's really, really cool right there. Social proof text and testimonial rewriter, blog tools. Look at all the different blog tools. Now, I will be honest, blogging and long form content is the most popular way that I use the tool. Like, that's what I use the tool for the most. I just showed you 3 articles that I wrote 100% in this tool. I can actually come in here and actually show you proof that I wrote them in this tool as well. Like right here, laundromat failure rate. I wrote that one. 11 best softwares for like right there. I wrote these in here. And they're ranking on Google right now, right? So if anyone's telling you that you can't use these tools to create good, high quality content and rank on Google, then they don't know what they're talking about, because it depends on which one you are using. Copy.ai is one of the best AI writers out there, the highest quality, and I'm just proving it to you right now by those articles that are ranking. And they rank very quickly. Within days, I've been able to get that content to rank, which is cool. So we come over here. So definitely blog tools are second to none on the tool. You can go over here, email and letters, follow-up emails, welcome emails, confirmation emails, catchy email subject lines, social media tools, bullet points, hashtag generators, crazy YouTube ideas, super cool stuff. We'll probably do some social media stuff in here because I know that that's probably the next thing that we would use it for. So primarily, we would probably use this. Let me go get my notepad out. The most popular ways that we would use this is for blogging, right? Creating long form content and blogging. Then you would probably use it for social media. And this can be for social media ideas, topic ideas, descriptions, hashtags, all that good stuff. You can see all the different things you can do right here. YouTube video ideas and YouTube video descriptions. You can use it to write all that for us, right? And then also sales copy, running ads. These are going to be the main ways. As you can see, there's over 90 different things you can use this for, but these are going to be the main ones that we're going to focus on and use, right? You even have brainstorming tools, writing tools, sales copy, all the popular, like before and after bridge, feature to benefits. You have the pain, agitate, and problem, promise, proof, proposal. All kinds of good stuff. The attention, interest, desire, action. And those are ways that you can create really good sales copy. And then you have your writing tools right here. If you really want to get into writing, you can rewrite paragraphs and the software will instantly include the keywords that you want it to. So this is really good for SEO optimization right there as well. Bullet point to paragraph, bullet point to blog section, and so forth. So just some really, really cool stuff in here. And then personal tools right here. Birthday cards, clubhouse bio, cover letter, resume, bullet points, and baby shower thoughts. Or it might be wedding shower, I'm not sure. But a lot of different ways Now, if we wanted to just come up here, and also if you just come up here and just say blog, it's going to pull all the blog stuff, right? So blog ideas, we can come over here. We can usually skip right now for that. And then we're going to come over here and I'm just going to use, let's come up with something like a camping tent for a large family. We have built the largest, highest quality camping tent for large families on the market. I mean, literally that's all I'm going to do. And we're going to go with persuasive right here. Let's go with create copy. So we're using Copy.ai to basically do all kinds of good stuff for us. And we have a notepad over here. We can go and copy any of the copy that we get back. We can go ahead and just copy it down, right? So do you need the largest, highest quality camping tent available? Take a look at our product and you may be surprised at blog where you can compare our product to the competition. Is a family camping tent too large? Here are 5 things to consider. A blog about larger camp. So these are blog ideas, right? Right here. I like 5 reasons to purchase the new camping tent right there. That one's good, but I'm going to go with this one right over here. So maybe we have a blog post idea right there. And then maybe we go with, those are blog ideas. Now we can go to blog title and I'm just going to leave that the way it is and create. So this could be just an idea. And what I like to do is come up here and say blog ideas right here. And you can kind of make this an H1 just so it stands out. And then you can say blog titles right here. And we've got some blog titles based on that. So Go One Tent, a new wave in camping tents for large families. So there's just different ones right here for different ideas for what you want to write about, right? I'm going to go and grab one of an actual keyword so we can actually quickly create some content. Okay, so there's different ways that you can actually use the tool, right? You can actually come in here as well and just go with, if we already have our intro, like our idea of what we want to write about. So let's just say how to become a camp counselor. So something like that, okay? I'm going to go back up to just friendly and push create copy. So it's going to come out here. And let's just say we are creating, we're going to come back over here. I'm going to remove all this. And let's just say we're going to create a blog post in this first style here, which is the module based, and you're gonna have a lot more control over what you're doing, right? Because you can select between all kinds of different modules over here. So we have like an intro, and here's a big one right here. So I'm gonna say copy. We can paste that intro in. We have our title over here. We'll throw that up here. We'll make that an H1. We've got our intro. And then now all we need to do is go into our outline. And notice it keeps everything in here. It's super, super fast. Not all the AI writers, actually not very many of them, do this intelligently, keeping everything that you're already working on. It just keeps it in there. And then if you want to change it and move to another project, you can just switch it out. But it assumes that you're working on the same thing throughout, switching between all the modules, which makes it super, super efficient. And so you're able to get more done inside of Copy.ai than many other AI writing tools. So we're going to go ahead and actually let Copy.ai go out and get our blog outline for us. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can go ahead and quickly create a blog post using this. I call this the module method. And then I'm going to show you, stick around because I'm going to show you how you can instantly, from just like a couple clicks of a button, it'll go out there and just do the entire thing for you very quickly. And that's actually the method that I used to rank those other pieces of content. So we're going to come through here. We have different sections. We can go over here with a really big section, but I'm going to go with a shorter section just so we can kind of get through this right here. So here's a section right here. And I'm just going to make that an H2 real quick. This is a section right here. I don't really like that one right there. Not crazy about it. This is a takeaway. We're going to go and grab one more. Camps that welcome youth also require a background check. So maybe pass background check or something like that and so forth. Okay. So then now what we can do is, well, you know what? I don't really like these ones over here. We're going to go ahead and remove those. We're going to go and I think that these ones right here are better. So then we can go to bullet point to blog section. It keeps everything in there, but we're going to switch this out now with one of our H2 headings, right? Push return right here. And then you can just grab the copy that it produces for us, paste that in here, and now you can see how our article is now forming. We've got our title, we've got our intro, we've got our first H2, we've got the content for that. Then you would take your second H2 right here. And we would grab this and you would just quickly come right back up here, throw it in here, push create. Obviously, we're going to go in and we're going to spend 15 minutes skimming through, reading this, make sure it's factual, kind of cross-check everything, maybe add a few sentences of our own words in here, but I'm just quickly showing you how you can use this to create content very, very quickly. Go ahead and grab this and we can come back over here, boom. And now you can see we already have 400 words right here and we're just getting started. So let me go and take this right here, how to become a summer camp counselor. And now I'm going to show you, we're going to go to templates. Okay. We're going to go to templates and we're going to go through here to go to blog post wizard right here. I'm going to click on that, start new project. And we're going to go ahead and put that title up here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just say, I'm going to get rid of the summer on there because we really are going to go out and how to become a camp counselor friendly. And then we're going to create our outline. And this is the coolest part about this software. You literally just click a couple buttons and it's going to go out there and do all the work for us. Now, I don't like this one. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. This is a very specific thing we're asking it to do. It will handle very general type topics, weight loss and make money online niche. It'll handle that really, really well. This is actually very specific what we're trying to get it to do. It looks pretty good. The outline right here, we can add more if we wanted to add. We can add more custom sections in there. I'm going to go ahead and say generate the talking points. It takes it to the next level, and it kind of does a pre-sifting of the H2s, what will be the H2s in the content, right? And it actually comes up with a outline of what it really wants to talk about. Looks good, and then we're going to say generate content. So just literally a couple clicks of the button, and we're going to see it's going to create a full-length article for us. And again, the content that it came out with, so far I'm 3 for 3 on actually ranking my content on Google with this tool. So it must create pretty high quality, good structured content. And I think that the way that it comes out and structures this in different bullet points and such does, appeal to the eye and the reader better. So it actually does come out pretty high, definitely highly structured content, which I think that that's also something that Google is looking for. We're going to go over here, create blog post. And then this is what it looks like. It's just nice and formatted. So I think that the formatting is a very, very impressive with the tool. It does. Some sections have bullet points there. Some don't have bullet points. Yes, you can come in here and you can actually, split some of this text up, which I definitely recommend. You don't want too big of paragraphs in there, especially if you're posting this on a site that already has ads on it. The more paragraphs you have, the more ads you're going to be able to run. In turn, the more money you're going to make. So it came up with a 1,200 word high quality content on a very specific topic, right? How to become a summer camp counselor. So that's one of the number one reasons or ways that I would use Copy.ai for blogging, right? So social media, let's go back in real quick. I'm just going to go through over here and we're going to go down to the social media tools. And let's just say that we just got done, or we want to create some YouTube videos, and let's just say make money online blogging. Let's just say that that's the niche that we want to create some topics on. I'm going to say create copy. Copy.ai is going to go out there and find some ideas for us. Walking around a city, talking about ways to making money blogging. That's an idea. Walk around the city talking about it. So it's actually going in detail on how you can actually create the video. Maybe this isn't your topic or your title. I think that they already have title. Yeah, look, YouTube video title. So this is not a title. Remember that. This is actually coming up with an idea to create the video. Tell everyone how to make money blogging and linking to your blog, making 50,000 blogging about your high school, make money selling that, opening a blog, monetize it, hide the money from yourself until you're rich. So it just goes and tries to come up with some different topics, because if we go down here to the YouTube video title, this would be very helpful or useful. And then we can also go with maybe different, try adventurous or something like that. Make money online blogging. Let's see what it comes up with a YouTube video idea. How to make money blogging, learning and earning more every day. So then you can see if we come over here and we go with maybe witty or persuasive, and it will change the tone that it's going to use, right? So just put your age in here, 18-year-old girl who makes $60,000 per month. Just replace this. A 27-year-old man who makes $1,200 per month. People will watch that. Whatever you fill this in with, people will be interested in your story. Okay, right here, it's just coming up. The fastest way to make money online. My $2,000 blog story. Right? How I make over $700 a month blogging. Look, it's not even a lot of money, but people will definitely watch your story that way. So just really, really cool. Then it will go out and do the descriptions for you and so forth. It even has TikTok brainstorming topics. I'm going to go ahead and leave that in there. Make money online blogging. Let's see what TikTok comes up with. It's going to come up with some more types of topics for us. There's a keyword generator. So if you did create a video on this, especially for like YouTube, it'll go out there and give you a lot of keywords that you can use as tags. I like that one. Then you have, where's the hashtag one? Hashtag generator. Make money online blogging should be able to come out with the different hashtags that we can use for social media, right? So look at all these different hashtags you can use and so forth. So there's just a bunch of different things. Instagram product showcase, Instagram captions, show you the Instagram captions, make money online blogging, if that was our topic, and it'll go out there. Make money online blogging is easy. You just need to make money online blog. It is the easiest way to make money for part-time bloggers and so forth. So it comes with, you can just read through each one and find which one kind of makes the most sense. And some of them really go into more depth, 2 or 3 sentences right there. So that would be the social media stuff. And then right over here, sales copy, running ads. So we're going to come back up here to the digital ad copy. We can use any of these. Facebook headlines right here. And usually with the advertising, I would leave it at persuasive. It's going to come up with more ideas for you. So you can use it for Google headlines, general ad copy. Right here. Learn how to make money online blogging in under an hour by joining Make Money Blogging for a free 10-day course where you'll learn everything about starting a blog, monetizing, and tips to start making money. So it just did really good. So you'll go through and you'll find some of them. And when you find one that did produce better content, then you would just go through, and general ad copy I thought was really good. So you can actually mark it as a favorite. Here's the Facebook primary text right here. You can try that one real quick. When you find them, they make it really easy to just, star it, and then it'll end up in your favorites tools over here. So the Facebook right here, that one came up with some good ones as well. So you could use that. We can come that down here, website copy, and then sales copy is another module that's really going to do, like professional copywriting for you. So for example, we can say like the before and after, make money online blogging. So it's going to say how to make money online by blogging is not a difficult question to answer, but the information online about how to start a blog and money is scattered these days. If you're looking for answers, and it takes you down a path of marketing copy right here, before, after, and bridge. Do you want to make money online blogging? That's probably a better kind of like prompt to someone, right? And then it's going to say, hey there, have you ever thought about making money online? Because I have been doing that for my blog for the past couple months. I get asked this question very often. How can I make money with my blog? Well, in this article or in this course and whatever you're selling, I'll be sharing my experience of how I make money on blogging, how I make, $20,000 a month blogging or something like that. So you can see how it really does kind of take that that blank canvas, if you will. If you're not really a professional writer, it can take that blank canvas and turn this into really, really good content for you. And like I said, you can just use this hefty notepad over here, and the ones that you like, just come over here and paste them over here, and then you'll have all this content over here in just a few short minutes. So that's how I use Copy.ai. If you want to go check Copy.ai out, you can click the first link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.